Welcome back to the channel, guys. Since the last video, me and Spencer got all of the problems on the Corvair we could fix in order. Unfortunately, transmission went out and we weren't able to repair it ourselves, but we sold it to a guy and his son and passed the project on to them, so that's where it'll be. Now I'm gonna introduce you to our next big project we worked on all summer, Spencer's 1957 Lincoln.
New to me, very old, 1957 Lincoln Premier. We're gonna have the junkyard bring a tow truck out here and deliver it to Alex's house, and we get to work on everything. Minimal rust for something that's been sitting in a field for who knows how many years.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously there's not a lot here, but there's enough to make a project out of it.
Mm-hmm. That's what matters.
That's what matters.
We'll make it run. Do something, at least.
Do something to it. No, that's not a drum
There she is.
Here she is.
Home.
The tow truck just dropped her off. Alex's. All 20 feet, 5,000 pounds of American glory is now ours. And we have a lot of work to do.
No engine.
No engine.
No 7-liter
No
V8.
transmission. No 7-liter V8. No 435 horsepower.
Never gonna have it, probably.
Nope.
Maybe.
No rear window. Just pile of glass.
Safety glass.
No wheels.
It's sitting low.
She's sit lowrider, maybe new lowrider build.
Lowrider status.
No.
Dude, I didn't even notice this Lincoln bed.
Yeah. Got a drive shaft. Got a brake drum. Is that a horn? Piece of the frame.
Yeah. That straight looks like frame.
Sus. Door doesn't close. I don't think
Say it Landau.
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 I call it Landau. That's this style of top. It's. We got. Looks like the dash in there. What else? That's about it. The dash.
The dash. The steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
Seats. Kind of.
Oh, this one. Oh, yo, this door panel is nice.
Ooh.
What the heck?
Damn.
Oh
wow, that one's like mint.
Yeah, we have no clue how long this car's been sitting.
Wow.
It's back with the rest of like the 50s era vehicles, so it could have been there since the late 60s or the late 90s. I have no clue. It's in really good shape. Oh, look at that.
The body's in really good shape.
With the Lincoln logo on it.
It has the one on the front too.
Marble. So you know it's haunted.
Straight like presidential like doors because bullets not getting through.
Those are 100% bulletproof.
Okay. Yeah. So we got
It's a 4 9-inch rear end.
Yeah.
With 11-inch drum brakes. So, which we don't have.
One stud is broken off. On that one.
The other 4, you only need 3 really. Got, see it like, somebody put these on here at some point. Clamps to on the struts. That's weird.
It's called the leaf spring, Spencer.
Yeah, whatever. I'm using the wrong word, but they put clamps on the leaf springs, which is weird. Ooh, that's rough.
Yeah, that's straight rust hole.
That'll have to be patched.
It'll buff out. Okay, so while Spencer is vacuuming over there, I'm going to show you what we have. So we got the original dash. It's pretty minty. Looks like glove box open still. Very nice. Ashtray. Doesn't work. That's alright. So we don't have any of the switches obviously, but I thought this was neat that it had driver and passenger, it seems like, temp and air, so you can adjust them for each side of the car. I'm not sure what this piece is. I don't even know if it goes to this car, and yeah, so I don't know what that goes to, but this is for the passenger side. There's a courtesy lamp on each door panel, so we have a surprising amount of stuff. Now we have panel for something, another panel for something. We have the sun visors. We have the rear view mirror. We have both headlight covers, gas pedal, brake pedals in the car, attached still. Just need a brake booster.
We just went to the junkyard this morning to pick up wheels and tires to roll the Lincoln. We need to get it back into that tent so we can work on it and, you know, be nice in the shade and stuff like that. So I picked up 4 wheels with tires. We also bought a brake drum because we need something on the passenger side to get it to roll, because there's no drum and no spindle. Right now, we're going to pull off the drum on the driver's side to see what we need to do to that one to get it mounted up properly.
So we got 14s for the front, 15s for the rear.
15s for the rear.
Valve stem broke.
Yeah, this rim is a bajillion years old. It's been sitting in the sun. The valve stem is super cracked. It just broke, so I sprayed leak seal on it. This was in the garage. Hopefully it works.
So yeah, there's no hub on this one. And we need to get a hub on there so we can get the drum on there that we just bought. And we have another drum for the rear. Cause no drum, but who needs them, to be honest? So we got the wrong size tire. These are 4.5s, and then we measured the drum, which we should have done beforehand, and it's actually 5.5. Now we get to go back and get more tires.
So, in quite possibly one of the worst ways I could have done it, I do have the car sitting on 4 tires now. They're obviously ancient, dry rotted wheels, and they're awful. None of them hold air. and that one's missing all of its lug nuts. That one doesn't even have studs and is just sitting on the spindle there, but it is on tires. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a run to Ace Hardware and buy some just generic nuts and bolts, and built on maybe a can or two of tire sealant. We're gonna try and get some air in these and see if we can get it just enough to roll it back into this tent so that it's safe from the elements. The hood, or the trunk for the Lincoln, had rusted through in the spots where it mounts. This one wasn't terrible, but it's fallen apart and it's not gonna last much longer. This one was basically non-existent.
Yeah.
So we cut out whatever's left. We reused this old bracket that was originally to hold it in, and we just cut out a piece, just straight steel. And today I'm gonna try welding this back into place as best I can. It's not gonna be very good. Hopefully it'll hold the trunk back onto the car, you know, put stuff in there, use it as a trunk. Because everything is just on the dirt in a tent, and I don't really like it on the ground. So I want to put it somewhere. I like to put it in the trunk, but I also want the trunk to be able to close.
Yes.
So that's what we're working on today. I'm going to weld this up and see how bad it looks.
Yay. Rate the welds. He's gonna go over it again.
I've proven the adage, not everyone can weld, but anyone can grind.
Facts.
So I can't weld, but
Yeah.
I can make it look shiny.
So you can be the judge of this when we're done, because he's gonna do this side and then I'm gonna do that side.
And we're gonna
compare.
We're gonna compare who's the better amateur.
Who's the better professional amateur?
Professional amateurs.
Oh yeah, professional amateurs fabrication.
That's what it was.
That's what this is right here.
Professional amateurs fabrication shop.
At your service.
Professional.
Oh, all right, back to it. Anything goes welding competition. Here's my weld. Pretty solid for my like 5th time welding. And here's Spencer's. It's kind of
bad.
Kind of off a little bit, but we're gonna try again.
We're gonna try again.
I'm better.
Alex is better on this one.
Yes.
That's pretty well decided. Here we go. My punishment is I have to do this one again.
Yes. And hopefully, I think we can get it closer and then weld, and hopefully it'll be better.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Oh yeah. She's a cruiser.